I am Majile Afolabi, a participant of the Fearless Netpreneur Mastermind retreat organized by Dr. Ope Banwo. I really want to appreciate him for organizing this type of event. I can categorize it, I've learned a lot, far more than what I paid for this event. I've been an internet marketer for like 4 years now, but I've been looking for ways to crunch the international market. And immediately I saw this opportunity, I just jumped on it. And in the last 3 days that I've been here, I've learned a lot about how to launch my own products, how to market, which is also key in any internet marketing business. And I can tell you that with the 3 days, the things I've learned, if I can just execute like 50 to 60% of it, I'm good to go, and I can assure you that I will come back here to tell you about my success. Thank you.